The invisible wind cutting through the trees, tearing at the skin, biting and gnashing to escape this place. Oh, to ride upon that wind. Kerouac and Carrol, Blake and McKay, all with gentle poems of the elegance of birds in flight, soaring, gliding, lightly flitting on midday breezes, softened with the delicate scent of apple blossoms. But we are not meant for this space, this place above, the home of vengeful gods decidedly opposed to our waxy feathered wings of arrogance or pompous towers of Babylon. And so we toil with pencil and parchment, mathematics and theorems. We look to the sky through complex grids of measured angles and convoluted formulas with labels such as lift and yaw. For us locked steadfast to the ground, the poetry of flight is hammered into reality through sharp angles, icy steel, and scorching flames. A rickety, wavering push from the earth on spare bicycle parts and canvas. Less than 2 decades later, and multi-engined monstrosities regularly traverse the brackish ocean winds, and warbirds of laced cotton fabric pelt enemies below with hand-dropped bombs. Heavy craft thundering overhead soon followed more than 100 souls within their metal gullets. Volumes of schematics, thousands of drafting desks lit with emerald-like lamps, cigarette smoke tracing thin lines from overfilled bakelite ashtrays to high ceilings lined with fluttering fluorescent tubes. We plot and we plan. We scheme and toil over figures and expressions extrapolated and extracted from fiery failures. We harness that invisible wind, build palaces for the air, to challenge the laws of gods, and to, ever briefly, leave this place that we are so mortally tethered to.